Have you ever wondered what fuels Robert Downey Jr. for those action-packed scenes and high-energy performances? Today, we're diving into Robert Downey Jr.'s high-protein meal prep that keeps him in superhero shape. Hey there, superhero fans! Today, we're going to uncover the secrets behind Robert Downey Jr.'s jaw-dropping physical evolution for his role as Iron Man. Get ready to be amazed! First up, we have a quinoa and black bean salad. Quinoa is a complete protein and black beans add an extra boost. Mix in some corn, red bell peppers, and a zesty lime cilantro dressing. This salad is not only packed with protein but also vibrant and refreshing, perfect for a quick lunch. Next, let's prepare grilled salmon with asparagus. Salmon is rich in protein and omega-3s, while asparagus adds fiber and vitamins. Season your salmon with some olive oil, salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon. Grill until it's perfectly flaky. Pair it with grilled asparagus, and you have a nutritious, delicious meal. For a plant-based option, try a tofu stir-fry. Tofu is a fantastic protein source. Stir-fry with bell peppers, broccoli, and snap peas. Add a splash of soy sauce and sesame oil for flavor. This dish is quick, easy, and packed with nutrients. Even if you're not vegan, it's a great addition to your meal rotation. Looking for a high-protein snack? Chia seed pudding is perfect. Mix chia seeds with almond milk and let it sit overnight. Top with fresh berries and sliced almonds. It's creamy, delicious, and packed with protein and omega-3s. Great for breakfast or a midday snack. Finally, a Greek yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt with mixed berries, a handful of nuts, and a drizzle of honey. This parfait is not only tasty but also high in protein and perfect for a quick, nutritious breakfast. And there you have it, folks. A variety of high-protein meals to keep you fueled and feeling great. Give them a try and let me know which one's your favorite. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.